Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
The IT band strap reduces lateral knee strain during activity. It helps shift pressure to nearby tendon and soft tissue. Many runners and cyclists find relief quickly when fitted properly. Place the strap 2 to 3 inches below the knee joint. This positioning targets the common pain zone on the outside of the knee. Choose a strap that allows firm pressure without cutting circulation. Adjust fasteners until you feel supportive compression, but can still flex your knee comfortably. Check skin after 10 minutes to ensure no numbness or excessive redness appears. Wrap the strap snugly around the leg above or below the knee as needed. Start with moderate tension and test a short walk before running or riding. Tighten until pressure is firm, but you can still bend the knee. Reposition slightly if pain moves or persists in a different spot. Use the strap during activity for up to 90 minutes at a time. Remove it during sleep and prolonged rest periods to allow normal circulation. Clean the strap regularly according to manufacturer instructions to avoid skin irritation and odor buildup. Pair the strap with hip strengthening and foam rolling routines twice weekly. Focus on glute medius and hip external rotator exercises for balanced mechanics. Include 1/4 to 1/2 hour of targeted mobility work before activity. If pain persists beyond 2 weeks, consult a medical professional. They can assess biomechanics, prescribe physical therapy, or recommend imaging if needed. Inspect straps monthly for wear and replace when elastic loses tension. Proper maintenance and complementary training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.